Hi friends, welcome back to the channel JN Academy. I am Devansh Pathak and today we are going to start our very important topic of class 8 science chapter number 1, and our today's topic is irrigation. Now this topic is very important and it will come in your syllabus. So in this video we are going to talk about what is irrigation, types of irrigation and some of their examples. So without wasting any time, let us get in our today's video. So first we are going to talk about what is irrigation. Now the process of supplying water to crops at regular intervals of time means the process of supplying water in regular intervals of time for their growth. Now as you all know that plants do the process of photosynthesis to prepare their food and survive, and for that they use air, minerals, water, sunlight, and etc. So as you can see here in these figures, the water is supplied to the crops for their growth. So next we have types of irrigation. So there are basically two types of irrigation, two methods: traditional methods and modern methods. So first we are going to learn about traditional methods. Now there are four types of traditional methods: moat, rahat, dhekli and chain pump. So first we are going to talk about moat and dhekli. Now moat is a very important method and it is commonly used. Moat is a method in which irrigation of lands is done using buckets of water, carrying them from one place to another. Means in this process, the water is just from a water source and then it's supplied manually to the crops. But in dhekli method, the ropes and containers were used to get water from the well. Means in this process you can see here a log with a rope and a bucket attached to it. Now this bucket collects the water from the well, and with the help of this bucket the water is supplied manually to the crops. So this process is commonly used in our country. So next we have rahat and chain pump. Now in rahat, as you can understand from its name, that in this process you can see here an ox is rotating a handle that rotates the water wheel, and that water wheel collects water and supplies to the crops, and the name rahat is given to it because in this process no use of humans is there, only the animals just rotate this chain. Now next we have chain pump. So as you can see here in this diagram, we have a chain and that chain is attached to buckets, and we have a water source. Now in this process the chain rotates, and its bucket collects water and then supplies to the crops directly. You can see here in diagrams that we have different buckets that collect water and then supply directly to the crops. Now this process is very easy, but it needs some supplies. Now next we have modern methods of irrigation. Now there are two types of modern methods of irrigation: drip irrigation and sprinkler system. Now in sprinkler system, first we are going to talk about this. So as you can see in this diagram, the water is sprinkled to the crops directly, so that each crop will get adequate amount of water. So you can see here in this diagram we have a pump that pumps the water to the pipes, and then these pipes get sprinkled to the crops, and this helps to provide water to the crops. Next we have drip irrigation. Now in this process you can see here a pump pumps the water, and the water is directly supplied to the roots of the crops. Now how it's done, as you can see here properly, we have a pipe with holes just beside to the plant roots. Now, in this process, the water is provided adequately to the crops without any wastage of water. That's why this process is more eligible than the other ones. So that is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe my channel. And the PDF for this first chapter is given in the description. Bye bye and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.